You are known for identifying market bottoms and market tops. कैसे कर लेते हो आप?
Moment you reach the danger mark, which is your 2 times of market returns.
Correct.
Rule of thumb, it's time to lighten.
Correct.
Now, when you're very young and you're suddenly very rich, you start to think that it is because you are very smart. They don't realize it's not about your brilliance.
It's about the bull run.
It's about the bull run.
You talk a lot about macros. Like say for example, I want to analyze an economy of Italy for that matter.
डेटा का कोई कमी नहीं है. क्वार्टरली तो सबको मिल जाते हैं, न्यूज फ्लैश सबको मिल जाता है, बट पैसे तो कुछ ही लोग बनाते हैं. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन वी फर्स्ट डिसाइडेड टू गो ग्लोबल, 20 इकोनॉमीज अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड इन 3 years flat, cracked it.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for doing this with us. First thing first, you are known for identifying market bottoms and market tops. So, a very simple question, sir. कैसे कर लेते हो आप?
Simple है. Any period in which your returns are 2x or the market returns are 2x of their long-term returns
Okay.
over a 5-year period.
Okay.
You know the cycle is getting over.
Okay. So basically, if market के average return 14-15% है, if you're looking at
If
a
you are
30,
looking at
35,
30 हो गया 4-5 साल, you know कि this market cannot now continue at the pace that it has, and it will now go the opposite way to normalize the return of there's excess returns
Correct.
with deficit returns. So which is what my lake of returns theory is.
Correct.
That market is like a lake. Lake में when there is a सूखा, there is a big, let's say drought है, akal है, whatever it is, lake water, the dam, the water is very low. That is like a bear market.
Correct.
Then the water starts to come, rainfall होगा, कुछ होगा, water starts to rise. So it will start from here, and let us say this is the danger mark. Because her dam, if you see in reservoir, they have various levels. Moment you reach the danger mark, which is your 2 times of market returns.
Correct.
Rule of thumb. So this is your average, 15, मगर 15 liters की capacity थी, as an example, and you're suddenly at 30 liters.
Correct.
Now you know this dam is going to burst.
Correct.
Then the dam will burst, water will flow out, and the water levels will recede.
Right.
This journey will keep repeating itself endlessly. So in lake of returns, when the lake is hitting danger level, it's time to lighten up.
Correct.
When the lake levels are very low, which means the returns have become zero for 5 years.
Correct.
Or negative for 5 years, as was the case from 2000 to 2004.
Right. And then a bull run started in 2004.
Then a massive bull run started.
For 3-4
It
years.
was the same in the post Harshad period, when after Harshad Mehta scandal of 93, markets gave no returns for the next 4-5 years.
Correct.
Till 98.
Right.
It was negative return.
Correct.
And then from 98 to 2000, 2001 years, a huge bull market. So between 3 and 5 years are typical cycles. Usually 4-5 is the average.
Correct.
So this is how you will get the broad cycle tops and bottoms.
Correct. So I think 99 वाला crash, 2000 वाला crash आप identify कर पाए थे to a very good extent. So that was only 15 years of experience, but a lot of wisdom in the market. So वो कैसे हुआ?
So that was more common sense.
Okay.
So when 99 was happening, the mania of .com, mania of tech, I was part of the mania. I was making a lot of money. I was just mid-30s, 33, 34. I was very, very young, maybe 35. Yeah, 33 actually. I was really young. Now when you're very young and you're suddenly very rich, you start to think that it is because you are very smart. Because stock market के profit को आदमी, most people, if not all people, start to mistake it for their brilliance.
Yes.
They don't realize it's not about your brilliance.
It's about the bull run.
It's about the bull run. That's
Right.
all it is. तो मैंने हिस्ट्री बहुत पढ़ा था उसके प्रीसीडिंग 10-15 साल.
Correct.
बहुत डीप में मैं गया था कि क्या होता है मार्केट, क्या मैकेनिज्म्स है, फंडामेंटल्स, टेक्निकल्स, हिस्ट्री, साइकिल्स. तो व्हेन दिस मेनिया वाज ऑन, I was at the back of my mind thinking कि यार ये हो ना हो, ये another mania है और इसका अंत बुरा ही होगा. तो ये आइडेंटिफाई तब हुआ मेरे दिमाग में कि क्लियरली कि जब मेरे ही खुद पीएनएल को देख के मैं सरप्राइज हो गया कि यार मैं मिड-30s में हूँ और इतना पैसा लोग मतलब कि dozens of years मेहनत करके भी नहीं कमाते. My father was in a service, I mean 3,000-5,000 rupees a month, और यहाँ suddenly you're making in multiples of 20s of crores. What have you done for this?
Correct.
Because पैसा और effort तो कुछ कहीं तो लिंक होगा ना.
Correct.
When that link breaks down, then you know कि this game cannot last. तो ये रीजन मोटा मोटा यही था कि देखिए एनीथिंग एंड यू आर वेरी यंग, यू स्टार्टिंग ऑन द जर्नी, नेवर फॉरगेट द फैक्ट दैट बीइंग ऑनेस्ट विद योरसेल्फ, दुनिया के साथ आप जो मर्जी बोलना बोल लो,
करेक्ट,
बट खुद के साथ सच्चाई रखो।
करेक्ट,
तो ये ऑनेस्टी आपको बचाएगा इस मोमेंट्स में। इट विल टेल यू कि आप जो कर रहे हो और जहां हो ये आपकी काबिलियत नहीं है, ये आपका नसीब है, एंड देयरफॉर दैट ऑनेस्टी इज व्हाट इज योर इंश्योरेंस बफर। तो मेरे को ये ऑनेस्टी थी कि यार ये 35 साल की उम्र में इतना पैसा कमाना कोई नॉर्मल चीज नहीं है, और ये इट दिस गेम विल एंड, एंड दैट्स हाउ इट एंडेड।
सर you talk a lot about macros. Say for example, आपने भी अभी काफी investing micro reading की जगह you know trying to do top down approach.
आई हैव ऑलवेज डन टॉप डाउन।
So top down approach, how do you approach it? Like say for example, I want to analyze an economy of Italy for that matter. So how do I do it?
Now, today you have a lot of data. You can find almost every data that any professional investor can get. If you're prepared to put in some time, you will get access to a lot of information. Point is, data मिल जाता. Understand this. What is the market? What is investing? Data का कोई edge
कमी नहीं है,
कमी नहीं है. In fact, ज़्यादा ही है.
right?
How you interpret it is what matters. तो क्वार्टरली तो सबको मिल जाते हैं, ओके, न्यूज फ्लैश सबको मिल जाता है, बट पैसे तो कुछ ही लोग बनाते हैं ना.
Right.
सो दैट्स द पॉइंट, दैट एबिलिटी टू मेक सेंस आउट ऑफ इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अब उसके लिए मेरे पास कोई मैजिक पिल नहीं है दैट यू स्वॉलो इट एंड सडनली बिकम ब्रिलियंट. इट इज ऑल्सो ए जर्नी. आई एम टेलिंग यू, स्कूल में जब क्लास 1 में गए तो केजी की पढ़ाई बहुत आसान लगने लगी. लगता था कि इसमें कितना कितना क्यों स्ट्रेस होते थे. 5th में गए तो 3rd 4th का लगता था ये तो यार 5 मिनट में पढ़ लेंगे.
Correct.
यू नो 10th में पहुंचे तो 6th 7th के बुक
पढ़ाई
देखो
लगे
तो
थे.
क्या था, कुछ नहीं था. व्हाई? नॉट बिकॉज यू वर स्मार्टर, इट्स जस्ट यू हैड मोर विजडम ओवर द नेक्स्ट 4 years कि जो वो चीजें आपको आसान लगने. तो मार्केट भी वैसा ही है, जो चीजें कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन वी फर्स्ट डिसाइडेड टू गो ग्लोबल, हमने कहा इतना बड़ा दुनिया है, कहाँ जाएंगे, क्या समझेंगे. 3 साल के अंदर अंदर वी अंडरस्टूड कंपनी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम जापान, फ्रॉम सोनी down to companies which were in the US, down to companies in Europe, down to companies in Latin America, like 300 companies across the world, 20 economies across the world. In 3 years flat, cracked it.